Today we are going to show you the unboxing of Bosch random orbital standard model GEX1251A/AE. It comes with a microfilter and dust extraction, then a single piece of sanding sheet for the grit is 80 for use for wood. A user manual. Yep. As for the sander, it comes with a on-off switch and a thumb wheel for orbit frequency selection from 1 to 6, 6 being the highest speed. The random orbital sander comes with a dust extraction and microfilter system. To remove it, you just tilt it downwards and pull it towards you. It comes with this filter. It has a provision for the extraction outlet. You just connect your hose, vacuum hose to this. The sanding plate comes with a Velcro attachment, and then you can just attach the sanding sheet and align it with the holes. This does not come with the box, but I bought this separately, and it contains 6 sanding paper sheets from grit 60 to 240, so it's a mix of sanding sheets. Once you turn it on, this is the amount of noise it makes. If I change the speed or reduce it, in the next video, I'll just run you through how we manage to sand wood using this orbital random sanding.